Hello everyone, welcome to CuteCarTV where we look at all the fun stuff. Today back with another video. Welcome to the crib, and today we're gonna do an unboxing of that small little OBD reader down there in the box. So let's go and have a look. So here it is, small little box. What is it? Here it is.
Wow!
Vgate my car, my way. That's how it looks like. OBD2. Vgate iCar Pro 3.0. This one made in China. There it is. I think that's for the app. Yeah, for the app or something. And then this one is good for scanning BMW, and I think it's pretty cool, isn't it? Fun stuff. Quite hard to open. And Bluetooth 3.0. There it is. 1 year warranty. There's an ARM processor, OBD2 core, and
oh my god.
This is how it looks like. Very small. Bluetooth 3.0. Some paperwork. How to use it. There we go. Cool. What's this? iCar Pro. Vgate. So that's that. And then this is what OBD complete 3.0 third-party operating guide. So that's all the apps can use, I think. Real Dash, OBD Auto Doctor, Dash Command, OBD, all the apps. Harry Select Timer. And this one, Bimmercode.
Aha!
Oh, this one also. Okay. So that's it. There is. So you can check all the information on the car and everything with this small little thing. So when you're checking the OBD scanner for this is how it is. So that's about it. Okay, and then it goes back in here. That's it. There we are. Thank you for watching.